19th pre-competitive skill test. In October 2011, the PPP leader retained a Cartier wristwatch worth rupees 1 million after making a payment of rupees 0.321 million for the watch and a gun. Full stop. Nawaz Sharif, the PMLN supreme leader, was gifted a Mercedes-Benz car on April 2008, which was worth rupees 4.25 million. Full stop. The former Prime Minister retained it after paying rupees 0.636 million, as per the document. Full stop. The document did not mention in what capacity Mr. Sharif received the vehicle. Full stop. The Election Commission of Pakistan (ECP) on Sunday suspended the election schedule for 37 National Assembly seats which had fallen vacant after the resignation of PTI lawmakers. In light of the orders issued by the Islamabad. Full stop. New paragraph. Sometimes it is important because we can change the meaning of the words we use by the way we say them. Full stop. If we place weight on one word rather than on another, we can change the feeling of our words. Full stop. By changing the expression of our voice, we can suggest that we are serious or what we are speaking only in play. Full stop. For example, you may say to a friend, you really are the most senseless person I ever met. Full stop. With such a remark, you could break with your friend forever, but in 9 cases out of 10, such a remark will have been made lightly, as if in play, and if under the words there is just a suggestion of seriousness, your friend is free not to remain upon it. Full stop. New paragraph. Incidentally, the fact that we shall not have such large commitments for dollar leaf purchases should mean a further reduction in our bank loan. Full stop. During the early part of the year, we were given the opportunity of subscribing on favorable term for additional shares in the Canadian company, and this explains the rise in the figure relating to investments in subsidiary companies. Full stop. The Canadian company continues to make steady progress and had a record year, although as in our own case, a larger proportion than ever of their earnings disappears in taxation. Full stop. We regard our investment in this concern as very promising and look forward to it giving us an adequate return in the near future. Full stop.